Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring something truly awesome in the world of technology. Imagine having complete control over your front door, being able to see who's there, communicate with them, and grant access all from the convenience of your phone. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's now a reality with the eufy Security Video Smart Lock E330. This incredible device is a 3-in-1 triple security powerhouse that combines a speedy fingerprint recognition smart lock, a 2K HD camera with an f/1.6 lens for crystal clear visibility even at night, and a video doorbell. With this all-in-one device, you can enjoy full control over your front door and keep tabs on all the details, day or night. One of the standout features of the eufy Security Video Smart Lock E330 is its 3-in-1 triple security functionality. The 2K HD camera provides crystal clear visibility, even in low-light conditions, thanks to its f/1.6 lens. This means you can see who's at your door, even if it's pitch black outside. The camera also has a wide field of view, so you can see everything that's going on. But that's not all. The device also includes a video doorbell, allowing you to communicate with visitors remotely. And with the speedy fingerprint recognition smart lock, you can unlock your door in just a fraction of a second. This triple security feature gives you complete peace of mind, knowing that your home is protected and secure. Another feature that really impressed me is the 5 easy ways to unlock the device. The efficient chip and slim fingerprint film combine to recognize you in the blink of an eye and unlock your door in a heartbeat. But that's not the only way to unlock it. You can also control the Video Smart Lock E330 via the eufy Security app by chatting with your Alexa or Google Voice Assistant, by using the keypad, or with keys. This means that you can choose the method that's most convenient for you, whether you're at home or on the go. And with the eufy Security app, you can grant access to guests or service providers remotely, making it easy to manage who's coming and going. But what really sets the eufy Security Video Smart Lock E330 apart is its remote control capability. No matter where you are, you can see who's at your door through the doorbell camera and manage your lock with the eufy Security app. This means that you can stay informed with notifications and easily handle access for any visitor, whether you're at work, on vacation, or just running errands. And with push notifications with thumbnail previews, you can quickly see who's at your door and decide how to respond. This feature is especially useful for people who travel frequently or have large families, as it gives you complete control over your front door from anywhere in the world. I was also impressed by the large rechargeable battery that powers the device. With a generous 10,000 mAh capacity, you won't have to keep buying batteries for your smart lock. This means that you can enjoy all the features of the device without worrying about it running out of power. And when it does need to be recharged, it's easy to do so. This feature is not only convenient, but it's also environmentally friendly, as you won't be contributing to the waste of disposable batteries. Finally, I want to mention how easy it is to install the eufy Security Video Smart Lock E330. Compatible with most standard US and Canadian deadbolt spacings, it installs in just 15 minutes without drilling. And if you do have any issues, eufy is on standby for you 24/7, so you can enjoy a hassle-free experience with an 18-month protection, all backed by their professional service. This means that you can have complete peace of mind, knowing that you're supported every step of the way. In conclusion, the eufy Security Video Smart Lock E330 is an incredible device that offers complete control over your front door, advanced security features, and convenient remote control capability. With its 3-in-1 triple security functionality, 5 easy ways to unlock remote control from anywhere, large rechargeable battery, and easy installation, this device is a game-changer for anyone looking to upgrade their home security. So why wait? Find the link in the description below to get your hands on the eufy Security Video Smart Lock E330 today and experience the future of home security. Trust me, you won't be disappointed.